Let's do nail rubs over the gel. Wipe the suppression layer well and make sure the nail is not wet, otherwise the rub will slide and not stick to it. Each package has at the back a QR code to a video with explanation as well how to apply it. In the package you'll find a paper centimeter. It's convenient because it's bending and you can find perfectly your size. The small square at the tip is designed for easily removing the rub. I prefer to work with orange stick because I can bend slightly the rub and transform to the nail plate. Don't place it under the proximal nail fold. It will be more than enough to place it close to it. And here's my top secret recommendation: to work without gloves. You'll understand it is like working with paper forms, but maybe it will take me some time to get used to working gloves. First we stick well around the skin, and only after we'll stretch up the nail rub to the free edge. Make sure there is no air bubbles. With a file very fine grit, cut the leftovers. I used 180 grit, but if you have 200 it will be even better. Move the file only in one direction, exactly as I do in the video. Another important step is that the shape of your nail should be perfectly done, because after you apply the top, the file is forbidden. So if you need to fix the shape, I'll do it before. And before applying the top, you have to wipe the rub with alcohol. The rub has glue, so any product with acetone in it, it is forbidden in use. Only will use for removal. But it is another story for another